Superannuation is Australia's retirement system. The superannuation system was designed a few decades ago with the idea that people contribute a part of their income into a separate fund. Now, the fund is set up as a separate legal entity, like a separate structure, like a separate company, if you think of it, a trust, and you put money into it. And the idea is as people keep putting more money, like it will have members, different people putting money into it, it will keep reinvesting that money, and over time, from the money that you are investing in the contributions and the investments that the fund keeps making, the value will keep going up. And so you will have a good retirement nest. That's the other thing. Superannuation is a retirement system. It's not a system to get rich quick. It's not a system which is designed to give you money today. It is designed to be there for your retirement. And for those of you who don't know, the retirement age at which you can access it generally, depending on when you were born, is between 55 and 60 years. Now, the way the super works is as an employee, if you are making a salary, your employer has to do a mandatory contribution on your behalf into your super fund. So the money has to be paid as an employee. There's no exception there, except unless you're under 18 years of age, you're working less than 30 hours a week, and you are making less than $450. This is under being reviewed and should be replaced in the coming years, where everyone gets some money in the super if they work. So the idea is, as an employee, your money will be going there. If you're self-employed, doing your own business, in that case, you actually have to contribute the money yourself. So now, just to let you know, there are very few exceptions in which you may be able to access this money before you reach retirement age, but we will try to cover that in the future videos. In the next video, I want to focus on how superannuation is calculated, how the tax system works over there, so you understand what is happening with your contributions, how you're paying taxes on it, and how you're making money from it. So please do consider giving this video a like, a thumbs up, and following for more videos. Stay tuned.